Hey everybody, Casey with ASD Knives again. ASDefense.com or ASDknives.com. We got probably my favorite automatic from Microtech. Really fell in love with these this year. It is the Microtech Stitch. Look at this. We had a bunch more in different styles, but they all sold over the Black Friday holiday weekend. Black Friday is a holiday for us in business. I got the textured handles there. Obviously the satin hardware. Now this is the Apocalyptic finish on their blade. The serial number, or the model number, excuse me, is 169-10AP. Now watch this. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Can you see the serial number there? It says 2803. It was made in September of 2017. Man, this is a great knife. Absolutely stunning knife. Quickly became my favorite Microtech. Certainly my favorite automatic of theirs. So the total length is 8.5 inches long, 3¼ inches on the blade. Blade is thick and stout. 0.19 inches. Blade steel is Bohler M390. These went fast. We've got a couple left at the time of this video. Got the jimping all over the bottom. Easy to handle. Jimping on the blade. Just a phenomenal blade style. Just a really good knife. Listen to this click. Oh man. Listen to it again. They didn't play around with this. Superbly engineered automatic knife from Microtech, and you wouldn't expect anything else from them. Microtech Stitch is available at asdefense.com or asdknives.com. And if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, click on the notification icon to get updates when we upload a video. If you didn't like it, leave a thumbs down, tell us why. Any comments or questions in the comments section, we do appreciate it. Thanks for watching.